Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video, kind of stops off where I said yesterday about one of the biggest money makers is post-construction cleanup. In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you what I mentioned yesterday, the 10 largest companies. And I am also going to tell you one of the ways that you're going to stand out above anyone else to make money in post-construction cleanup. Okay, you ready? Here we go. There are certain things you can do to actually draw companies closer to you, and they will want to do business with you. One of the main things you can do is to know your local construction companies. Get out there, go to the sites like I did. I actually went out there and I had a little hard hat in the car. I mean, literally in my little boots, just in case I had to go to the job site. But a lot of the project managers are there. They are the ones that make the decisions. If they like you, build that relationship. There was one I went to for a whole month. I kept going to the actual site, not on the phone, but to the site, had my business cards, had flyers, had information, built the relationship with him. Next thing you know, we were doing all his post-construction cleanup. So get out there, get from behind your computers, get you a little hard hat, get your safety vest at, Home Depot, one of those, Lowe's, get your little boots. So if you have to go into the job site, if they allow you there, that is one of the ways I ended up getting a very, very large contract. Actually, it was one in Florida for doing a renovation for a hotel. It was like 32 floors, a big money maker. Just doing that made that money. Number two, there are a lot of places, like one time, Anderson, South Carolina did not have any competition at all. And so I teamed up with a company there and we brought something to the party. We had experience, they had the jobs. So look at smaller companies or smaller places around you, get to know some of the people there. Maybe you can reach out to them via LinkedIn or Facebook, see what they're doing, team up with them. You bring something to the party, they bring something to the party, and they may have the contract and you have the experience, you may have the money. And that would be something like you are actually providing the payroll and you're there supporting them. So there's certain ways you can team up to make money. The other thing you can look at doing is know how to really bid profitably. I showed you that in the previous video. If you're not sure, make sure you check out the previous video where I go into that. And the other thing is to add one thing that's going to be a real big, probably separation from you than a lot of other companies. And that is OSHA training. There's free OSHA training. And these construction sites love safety. Safety is a big one for them. One of the biggest factors, because their insurance costs a lot, like yours would if you had a lot of, safety infractions. So OSHA, this is their website for free training, and you can put that on. You can get an OSHA certificate and you can put that on your resume, your profile, your website. But this is going to be one that you can utilize, especially when it comes to post-construction. So OSHA, O-S-H-A, training.org. That's OSHA's Academy, OSHA, training.org. And I promised you yesterday that I have a list of the 10 big players. Now, some pay well, some pay okay, some don't pay that well from what I've seen through when you look at some of the tracking through Dun & Bradstreet and things like that. So I'm going to give you the list. You're going to go to the description at the bottom of this video, and I'll have the description for you. You're going to click onto it. It's going to take you there, and I'll give you a PDF. Now, what's so great about this is it is going to have the pros, the cons. It lists the top 10. It lists their actual pages where you can be subcontractors and what projects they've done, where they're located, like one's in New York, one's in Nebraska, but they're there. Click in the description. I love for you to get some post-construction cleanup jobs. I know I did fantastic. That was one of the ways that I was able to get to what? 6 figures and beyond. That's the key, the beyond part on this one. Post-construction will definitely do that for you. Love to see you at one of my free events. Make sure you click to register. Space is limited. Love to see you at the Masterclass for either 6 figures or for doing government contracts that get you to 6 figures, private or government. Love to see you there. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Be safe and take care. Bye-bye.